refurbished room here at the All-Star Sports Resort. Let's get this room tour started.
Welcome back to Fun Fierro. I'm Andy.
I'm Liz.
We're in building number 7 here at the touchdown area of the resort, and we are in a newly refurbished room. The other 2 All-Star Resorts, Movies and Music, have already rolled out their refurbished rooms.
But the All-Star Sports Resort, even though it opened the last after COVID, hasn't really done all the refurbishments yet. But dribs and drabs, they have already started. We got a preferred room. We showed up late last night. The concierge was actually a little bit confused that we were in building 7. And then we walked over here and walked in, and oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
This entire floor of building 7 is already refurbished. However, we're the only ones staying in a refurb room on this floor.
No more carpet. Look at this beautiful floor. This is the first thing I noticed when we walked in the door. It's set to a diagonal. So pretty, so crisp. Everything in this room is really modern. From the refrigerator, you've got a drawer right there for storage. Look at that coffee pot just waiting on you to have some coffee. Then of course your ice bucket, and there's another little shelf for organization.
You also have an adjustable thermostat here. AC blows out nice and cold right there.
Now we all need power. This room has the power. You've got B and C connectors. 7 Bs and 3 Cs.
One of the things that I notice is when you come in here, it is not overly themed like the old All-Star resorts were. And if you've ever stayed in an All-Star resort, you know that they kind of go over the top with Disney theming all throughout the resort and in the rooms. Well, the new refurb rooms, if you guys can see, not a ton of theming. I mean, we have our friends up here, Minnie, Mickey, and Donald, but there's not a whole lot of sports theming. However, there are little touches.
Check out this chair. How much more sporty can you get than that? It is so cute.
Here's the Murphy bed. We're gonna come back to that in just a minute, but check out this bed over here. This is kind of the main bed of the room. Lots of pillows to share with not only for this bed, but also the Murphy bed. We unfortunately have slept in it when we got in last night. We were super tired, so it's not perfectly made like Disney would do, but we did our best.
Now this is a great touch. I just want to go ride Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway right now. I love the solid surface here. Open it up. You've got your safe. You've got some shelves. And you've got 3 big drawers for storage.
On this dresser, you have the USB-C and USB, also plug-ins on both sides. So check that out. Loungefly, not included with your room.
I love the barn door. It separates the room from the bathroom. You've got your closet. You've got a shelf up top that's really super cool. I just love all the shelves in the bathroom. So you have storage, you know, you can kind of spread out. Even if there are 4 of you, there are enough spaces to actually put your stuff so that you don't feel cramped. In addition to all these cubbies, you have under the bed storage space. I love being able to tuck my luggage right underneath there and not trip over it.
Quick side note too, guys. So the coffee pot over here, All-Star Resorts didn't used to have coffee pots. Now they do. So you get a fridge, little mini fridge, which you used to get as well, but now you get the coffee pot. Definitely a much needed upgrade.
Now for privacy, you've got those doors that come out. There's your full-length mirror to make sure that you're looking good for the day. And I love this. Just to echo that theming, check out those shower doors. Super nice and classy.
Classy or glassy?
Classy. Now that refurbished tile, so pretty, so white, just so clean. And H2O products. Does it get any better than that?
Now we're here to the Murphy bed, guys, so we got to move the chairs, but this, obviously it works as a table. Liz, show them how easy it is to put this bed down.
Oh yeah. Here's some really cute theming. Look at Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Dreaming good dreams up there. Soccer, going to the movies, and are they in a band? They're in a band.
I think Disney did an amazing job with this theming. First of all, this mural represents all 3 of the All-Star resorts. You got sports, movies, and music over here, so this Murphy bed can be used throughout all of the different refurb resorts. The light switches that are right here operate that side of the bed for the light, but also it operates the lighting above the mural here.
The great thing is, it's a Murphy bed. If you need more space, at any point in time, you just put it up. I'm so strong.
Now Disney is offering every other day mousekeeping or housekeeping, so that's back. That's kind of cool. I mean, it's not every single day like it used to be, but we're getting closer. So,
And you can also choose to not have any kind of housekeeping whatsoever while you're here.
yeah, so if you don't want anybody in your room, that's okay too. Let us know in the comments below, what did you think of the new updated and refurb rooms?
Want to see how modern resorts compare? Check out this video.
And until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.